Hey, health enthusiasts! Looking to boost your protein intake? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 high-protein superfoods you need to try right now. Let's dive in. First up, we have spirulina. This algae-based superfood packs a punch with 115% of your daily value per 100 grams. Add it to your smoothies or sprinkle it on salads for an instant protein boost. Next, let's talk about dry roasted soybeans. With 87% of your daily value per 100 grams, these crunchy little gems are perfect as a snack or tossed into your stir-fries. Plant-based protein at its finest. Third on the list, grated Parmesan cheese. With 83% of your daily value per 100 grams, it's a delicious way to add protein to your pasta, salads, or even as a snack. Cheese lovers, rejoice! Moving on to lean veal top round. This cut boasts 73% of your daily value per 100 grams. It's lean, protein-rich, and perfect for your next hearty meal. Don't forget about lamb shoulder roast. With 71% of your daily value per 100 grams, it's a flavorful, protein-rich option for slow-cooked dishes. Your taste buds will thank you. Number 6, the ever-popular lean chicken breast. This staple contains 64% of your daily value per 100 grams. Grill it, bake it, or sauté it. You can't go wrong with this protein powerhouse. 7th, non-fat mozzarella cheese. With 63% of your daily value per 100 grams, it's a great low-fat option for pizzas, salads, or even as a snack. Delicious and nutritious. Next, we have lean pork chops. These chops offer 62% of your daily value per 100 grams. Grill them, pan-sear them, or bake them. A versatile and protein-packed option for any meal. Number 9, tuna. This fish is a fantastic source of protein, containing 60% of your daily value per 100 grams. Enjoy it canned, grilled, or baked. Perfect for a healthy meal on the go. Last but not least, squash and pumpkin seeds. These seeds pack 60% of your daily value per 100 grams. Snack on them or add them to salads and stir-fries. A crunchy, nutritious treat. Remember, variety is key. Incorporate these high-protein foods into your diet to ensure you're meeting your daily protein needs. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.